Hi, welcome to my today's video. In this video, I'll talk about inflation, how you can beat inflation, and also I'll talk about the strategy that I'm using to trade or invest in the current dynamics where Nifty is trading at 21,500. So let's start our video here. What is inflation? ये सबको पता है, but how inflation is hitting us, most of the people do not know about it. So to take the beginners along, I'll tell you what is inflation. Inflation is the rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. Simple शब्दों में, if in case you are getting milk and bread at 100 rupees today, next year at the same time you will get milk and bread at 107 rupees. One more example. Last year, if in case you have kept 100 rupees in your almirah, today the value of that 100 rupees is 93 rupees. If government declares inflation 7%, does that mean actual inflation is 7%? On papers, yes, it means that actual inflation 7%. But people who are staying in metro city, उनके लिए 11-12% inflation है. Now, are you able to beat that inflation? The answer is no. Now, a very simple example. People invest in FD. FD का rate, let's consider 7% per annum. उस पर टैक्स वैक्स काट के 5% मान लिया, which is on the higher side. Let me tell you this thing. बट क्या इन्फ्लेशन बीट किया? जो 7% का पेपर पे था वो भी बीट नहीं किया. योर मनी इज degrowing by 2% every year. So what does it mean? Should you stop investing in FD? My answer is no. You should invest in FD, but diversification point of view से कि portfolio diversify हो जाए and also to maintain the liquidity. सारा पैसा उठा के FD में नहीं डालना. Diversification point of view से yes, you may put in some money. Now if you are investing in mutual funds, you are able to generate somewhere around 12 से 15% का CAGR. डिपेंड्स कि कौन से म्यूचुअल फंड में आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है, बिकॉज म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनीज भी बहुत ज्यादा चार्ज करती हैं अप टू 2%, इनफैक्ट मोर देन दैट एज वेल. बट इफ इन केस यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन इंडेक्स फंड्स जहां पे आपकी कमीशन समवेयर अराउंड 0.70% है, तो यस यू आर एबल टू अचीव 12 से 15% का रिटर्न, बिकॉज अगर आपकी कमीशन हाई होती है तो दैट गेट्स एडजस्टेड फ्रॉम योर रिटर्न्स ओनली. एनएवी से एडजस्ट होता है, फिर रिटर्न्स पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है. नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड म्यूचुअल फंड जो होता है वो आपको डिसिप्लिन में लाने के लिए होता है, व्हिच मींस एवरी मंथ यू स्टार्ट you're taking some money out of your income and you are parking it in markets. तो ये discipline इससे maintain होता है. Secondly, it is something which gives you a flavor of market. But can you create wealth from it? Not that easy. It's not that easy to create wealth from mutual fund. So अब आप सोच रहे होगे 5,000 रुपए every month निकाला 15% के कैगर से 25 साल के लिए, 25 साल बाद मुझे 1.5 करोड़ रुपए मिला, बन गई मेरी wealth. Look, you will get that 1.5 CR after 25 years, which means आपका पैसा already inflation के basis पे degrow हो चुका होगा. Only 18% value रह जाएगी आपके 1.5 करोड़ की, which will be somewhere around 27 lakh rupees. That's the power of inflation. So power of compounding सबने पढ़ाया होगा, सबने सुना होगा, but this is how inflation treats you. Now, should you stop investing in mutual funds? My answer is no. You should continue to do it. But if in case you are increasing the investment amount with every increase in your income, I think then it makes sense. If you are using bulk strategy during investments, then it makes sense. Now, what is bulk strategy? If in case you do not know, I have been telling it in my previous videos. I am putting its link in the description. Do watch it. It will help you multiply your returns. Inflation is hitting salaried people a lot and is hitting very badly. How? I'll give you an example. Let's say there is a boy named Mohit, बैंगलोर में रहता है, रेंटेड अपार्टमेंट में रहता है, आईटी कंपनी में काम करता है. रेंट उसका अभी अभी 10% से बढ़ा है, इन्फ्लेशन इज 7%. He decides to move to a smaller apartment and he speaks with his company. कंपनी ने प्रॉमिस कर दिया, ठीक है हम बढ़ा देंगे इन नेक्स्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर. जब तक वो रेंट बढ़ा 8-9 महीने हो गए, 8-9 महीने बाद फिर से रेंट 10% इंक्रीज हुआ, इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ा, चीजें और एक्सपेंसिव हुई. वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ सैलरी पर्सन टू कोप अप विद दिस, राइट? इस बीच में कितना सेविंग्स होगा? हाउ विल यू इन्वेस्ट इन SIPs? हाउ विल यू इंक्रीज द इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट विद द इंक्रीज्ड इनकम? थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है. In the initial stage of your career, if you continue to do SIP, I think that's the best investment to do. And I think you should specifically focus on increasing your income. Because if your income increases, eventually your amount of investment will get increased. I have seen people going crazy to save money at the time when they have started their career. I think it's a very nice thing to do. Saving should be started at the young age, but at the same time, you can't stop living, right? So the main focus for this set of people should be increasing their salary and exploring things. There was this dialogue which I never forget.
बाबू साहब, जब तक जिंदा हूं तब तक मरा नहीं, जब मर गया साला मैं ही नहीं.
So on that note, Let's move on to the next question. Which strategy I am using in the current dynamics where Nifty is trading at 21,500? So when we were young, we were in school, in colleges, we used to prepare. पूरा साल पढ़ते थे कि examinations में, final examinations में marks अच्छे आ जाएं, score अच्छा कर लें. But today when we are trading and investing, we have no plan. If I ask you, do you have any plan for investment? Most of us will go blank. Without a plan, it is very hard to achieve goals. If in case today market goes up, everybody who has invested are super duper happy. But जिन्होंने invest नहीं किया, they get trapped in FOMO, that is fear of missing out. उनको लगता है सब कुछ miss कर दिया life में, कुछ नहीं बचा, it's just end of the world, and they start investing at the high market. But what if market falls tomorrow by 25 to 30%? The scenario which we have seen in past, do you have a plan for it? If in case you do not have answer to it, that means you lack a strategy. Look, regular income from market might not be possible. Having a strategy can make income possible no matter which way the market goes. Market can go up, market can go down. But as per current scenario, my plan is that I have introduced PH fund, that is Prosperity Horizon Fund. Now, since the market is up, instead of investing my entire amount in the market, I have cut it into half. Half amount I am investing in market, half amount I am parking in PH fund. For example, if in case I am investing 1 lakh rupees in a month, 50,000 रुपए मैंने डाल दिया PH फंड में, 50,000 डाल दिया मार्केट में. So now PH फंड कब काम आएगा? PH फंड काम आएगा when there is a significant drop in the market. Because high market में पैसा बनाना is good, but you cannot create wealth by investing in high market. It can only and only be created while investing in a downturn. My next video is going to be easy 3-4% returns on FD for the people who like to invest in FD and FD only. So मैं next video में वो बताऊंगा कैसे कर सकते हैं. And if in case you have liked this video, if in case you think this video will add value to your portfolio, to your investment strategy, please do not forget to like and share and subscribe my channel so that it can reach out to other investors too. I have community tab on my channel. Do keep an eye on it because very frequently I share updates on that channel. It is very difficult to make video on everything. So I provide updates on community tab as well. So do watch it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Take very good care of yourself. Merry Christmas. Thank you.